IVP is having a big day today, bigger than yesterday, the 19th of November, when it completed a four straight session of declines. Yeah, you can see here 185 million shares have crossed the tape. Yesterday was roughly 89 million or thereabout. Yeah, yesterday was declining. As I indicated, they completed four straight session of losses. Overall, the stock has been on the decline since the middle of October. Okay, on the line trend, severely bearish. The algos were expecting that today was going to be a down day, but the market hasn't opened yet. It could still lose everything that it has so far, 29.7%. The odds of that happening not very high, But in any case, the algos were expecting that from Tuesday next week it might get a bounce, but maybe it has come early. Who knows? Even with all of this, even with this trend that is currently showing now, positions opened all the way back to 200 days ago are currently out of profit, because, the stock has just been on the decline, yeah, since the middle of October. Yeah. Okay, let's have a look at this at its 4-hour chart to see what's going on. Yesterday we covered it as well because of the heavy volumes, amongst other things. Yes, it was equally declining and also a penny stock, the stuff that may result in heavy volumes and all sort of things and aggression, opportunities. So as things stand right now, lower prices are expected to keep playing out even with this bounce. So it's not the algos are not convinced about what's going on right now. Yeah. Okay. Previous projections, or let's see whether there are any current projections: 0.3521, 0.2671. No guarantee those will print. Yeah, and including 0.4896. Yeah, no guarantee those will print at all. Yeah, okay, let's have a look. It has a relative high beta. So far, the market is going to open in about 45 minutes and has already moved 186 million shares. Let's see what it did yesterday again. I think 80 million or thereabout. Let's have a look and see what we have here. Yeah, yesterday it exchanged 86.48 million shares. Yeah, it's a penny stock. People will be getting involved. People want to get involved with the stock. Let's see. It may also be liquid as well. Yeah, it is quite liquid. So I think they'll be heavy. They'll be trading heavily and aggressively, possibly as well. Yeah, yeah, heavy, 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 heavy. Aggression has it. Okay. Yeah. Okay. The spread has changed now. Yes, changed to some extent. Yeah, aggression very high, and I think to some extent there's some price discovery. Let's have a look and see whether there's any fresh development coming that has come up now. No, nothing like that. No, nothing fresh. No news. Yeah, yeah. It's losing more ground. Losing more ground. Yesterday printed an intraday low of 0.0937. It is from those lows that we have seen this bounce kick in. Yeah, so we haven't really found any news. Let's see whether we can make any sense of the old news to see if how it's how it pertains to what's going on right now. Okay, this is as of more than a week ago. The company reported operating veterinary hospitals across the U.S. has released its 10Q revenue, $12.24 million, reflecting a decrease from $13.27 million the year earlier. Okay, loss from operations showing an improvement from what it was a year earlier. Net loss is worse now. Um, Net loss attributable to Class A and B common stockholders. Yeah, okay, it's improving. Net loss according to per share is improving, has improved. Okay, no, no, okay, yeah, a decrease in losses. Yeah, okay, yeah, net losses are improving. Yes. Okay, amongst other things, so I think the fact that total revenues has dropped, what was below what is expected, there was a drop in revenue, and losses have improved. Sorry, yeah, but revenue dropped. That's I think amongst other things, maybe a bone of contention or the grounds for the further weakness we are looking at right now. So I think there's no solvency issue, but another thing is compliance with Nasdaq. That's another thing that might be an issue. It has been trading below $1 since let's see, yeah, let's see now, for some time now, yeah, um, yeah, since June, since yeah, for some time now, yeah. So something might come up, yeah, something might come up. Expect maybe a reverse split or something like that, or one of those, So, but in any case, see what you make of IVP. We could just quickly have a look and see what its short interest is. Fintel. Let's see. Okay, if Fintel is saying 5.72%, let's see whether we can get anything from FinVs. Okay, it might be what it is, 5% or thereabout. Okay, so yes, just have a look, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.